every time I get my phone out, feel a good bit of view. We go in a tunnel or we get whatever. You think I would have worked it out by now? I missed all the good spots at Kiama while I was making this one. Made a new one. That one came out very nice, very nice. I'm gonna start selling them again. It's been a while. I might get into that with the kids actually. I'm on my way to go see them again. Every fortnight, I'm cruising to Port to see them, and I'm loving it. It's so good having regular times to see them. Oh, here you go. There, look, there's a bit of a nice one. Look at that. Go away, trees. And there we go. There we go. Look at it. Look. Hang on a second. There we go. That's better. Check that out. Look at that. How about that? You don't get this up near Port Macquarie. The train goes inland all the way to Newcastle, and you don't get to see any views like this over the water. Oh look, there's a big boat out there too. Look there. That thing. Doesn't look like a normal tanker, eh? It's weird. Looks like a UFO on the water. Made it to Broadmeadow. Well past halfway. But I don't know why. Last time, that first winter trip went really quick, and this last bit felt like it went forever. I should have waited for the train. Anyway, XPT will be here in about half an hour, and then we're straight through to Warhope. Straight through, be there about 7 o'clock. I stayed up most of last night so that I'd sleep on the train today, but because I've got to get the train from Bomaderry to Kiama, change at Kiama to Central, change at Central, and then Central to Broadmeadow, and then change again, it's hard to relax and crash out because I've got to keep swapping trains until this one. This is the last one, so now I can have a nap. And yay. Still not my train. I got this 6 a.m. train to get here at 12 o'clock.
Next service to arrive on platform 2 is your delayed 14, your 202 Grafton service. This service is the next service to arrive on platform 2. This is a book seat service only. Oval cards are not accepted.
Yay, we made it on the XPT. Woo woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, you must start member of the crew with passes through the carriages, taking orders for our Devon cheesecake. Devon cheesecake consists of 2 hot scones, jam and cream. The hot drink of your choice between tea, coffee, hot chocolate, for the price of $8.50. If you'd like the scones with jam and cream, the price is $5.50. This will take approximately 30 minutes to prepare. Further announcements will be made so the reservation is updated. Once again, the Devon
Scones.
cheesecake
Let's do it.
consists of
Devonshire tea. There we go, get it right, dickhead. What's that? That's not the cup holder. That's not gonna help. Uh-oh, now we're in trouble. Hang on a second. Let's have a look over there. Oh, yes. Wooden knife.